Now open the head section. Okay. Head, style, then body, under the body, let it be nothing. Go here under the style, right for body tag, background. By default, background is a orange color, not orange, sky blue, sky blue by default. So once if anyone will open the page, they will see the background will be which color? Sky blue. Yeah. Now let us check on media query. Media query start like this. @media, a screen, and mean width, minimum width, suppose 1 pixel, and max width, maximum width, suppose 600 pixel. If the screen size is between this range, 1 pixel to 600 pixel, if the screen size is between 1 pixel to 600 pixel, then for body, the background will be complete orange color. And one place you have written as a background sky blue, another place you have written as orange. Sometime old browser will not understand. So in that case, we can write a point called exclamation important. important, important. What is this? It says like if the screen is between 1 pixel to 600 pixel, at any cost, the body background must be what? Orange, like setting higher priority. If this is the condition, then don't apply any other color, apply only this color. That is called exclamation important. Simple for what purpose? To set higher priority, okay, for any property. Save the file, run it. You will find a sky blue will come and minimize the browser very small. Make it very small. You will see it should convert into orange color. Converting should get convert into very small as a orange color. Let me show you. Then you can check your code. Suppose background is sky blue. Let me go on a very small screen. Okay. PX is not written. Yeah. PX should be there. 1 PX to 600 PX. Still something wrong. Okay. See now, something like this. After 600, it will convert into sky blue. Pick once. Applying color. Background is getting changed. How you will check? You will not complete close the window. You will make, just restore the window. Make little small, resize slowly. Make a small, resize slowly. Nothing will happen. It will work still. Rare case. Who knows accident will happen today. But still we follow the rule regulation. So important is which scenario. In case, I'm saying in case is not happening. It will say no, higher priority. Right? It is setting higher priority. Sometime if your browser is not able to listen the property, then it will say no. Let's keep as a what? Orange. Because wherever important will get applied, it will be on higher priority completely. This is the code, please check, and this is the way you need to run. Five lines of code. Before and after and there must be a space. Before and after and there should be a space. Code came to your chat. You can have a look once. In case your code is not working, please replace that and check again. Shall we move next or shall we wait? Yes, no should come. We will write a comment here. It's called multi-line comment for medium device. You can copy the same and paste here and change 601 to 750. 601 to 750 or maybe 800. 601 to 800. Background you keep as a dark blue color. Dark blue color. Dark blue color. After that again, we can add one more media query. For large screen, large device. Eight hundred one to 1000 pixel. Okay, 801 to 900 will give green color. Now you resize your browser slowly and check in each device different type of background is coming out. It should work in all the devices. Something like this. Blue, then green, and after that which color? Sky blue. So that meaning page is only one. If different four type of user will open, he will see the four type of colors. It is just testing. Yes, we have seen, we tested, yeah, different device, the different color is different if condition is executing. This kind of if else. See, it says like if screen size is between 1 pixel to 600 pixel, then do this one. Else if minimum width is this much and maximum width is this much, then do this much. Else if minimum width is this much and maximum is this much, then do this much. Okay. Else, what to do? If it is matching the condition, then follow that. If not matching the condition, go to the default. Default is which color? Sky blue. Okay. Default is sky blue. Okay. Hope ready. Now come below. Working for everyone. Using media query only, you are going to create a responsive page. Okay. Without media query, you can't create a better responsive page. Media query plays a major important role. We'll get to know in some time. Now let's go. Create here one division. Give class equal to anything. My block. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, your wish. You can add any number of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Everywhere class is same. Now, once you see somewhere here class is same, automatically in your mind should come that meaning look and feel will be same. Design remain same. Because of that we have used same class. Okay. Now you try to display by default. What is the default one? Default one is here in the beginning. This is the default one. Default. Okay. So out of the media query in the beginning, write the CSS so that in one line you should be able to display 4 blocks. For my class, what is the class name? My block. For my blog in beginning, where you have written the body is sky blue, just up, I'm not asking to write under the media query. This is the media query, this is media query, this is media query, but here is not media query, correct? Here in the beginning of the page where you are written the body, now write the CSS for my block is a class, write the CSS for that, so that in one line, 4 blocks would appear, right? In one line should be 4 blocks. So how 4 blocks will come? Float left and 100 divided by, sorry, 4, 100 divided by 4 will come how much? 25. You have to give margin also. Okay. Margin, padding, everything. Try it from your side. I will also write now. But first you try it. Check now. Are you able to display 4 block in one line? After writing, anyone can help me out. They can send the CSS code in the chat for my block. What you have written. Please share your code in the chat after writing. Hope ready. One person send the code. Let us see what he has written. Margin you have written and width you are given 22% and then margin 1%. What? How you calculated? If the margin is 2%, 1%, so 1% left, 1% right. How much? 2%. Correct? 2% only, no? After that, total width is how much? 25% for one block. Then where is the one block? 1%. That is wrong calculation. Background keep as a white color because everywhere you have everywhere, you have everywhere. See, four are coming in one line, but there is a gap in the right side. Okay, so the calculation wise, it was little wrong calculation. Let me guide you. The width should be total 23%. 23% width and 2% margin. Then it will become as a total 25%. Yes, then you can see here, it looks like this. It's a fitting properly 5 blocks in one line. Let me know, looks similar or how it is. The individual should be able to write here. Why not start writing? If any requirement comes, like people will capture it. But here it look like we have to give requirement.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Sir, in my screen, after giving 23% width, only 3 blocks are showing in one line, sir.
Like that. See here. If I go to the small screen also, big screen also, everywhere. See. Logically, if we think total width is 100%, 100% divided by 4, 25% will be the width. In that margin 1% left, margin 1% right, then definitely width should be 23%.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Float left, minimum. Okay, now let's go. Margin 1% you are given is fine. Height you are given 100 px. Let's convert into 50 px. Okay, so we can write here 50 px as a height, 50 px as a height, and write padding top 20 px, left right 0 px, and bottom 20 px. Okay, and font size 30 px, text align center. The text what you have written exact, it will come in the middle. Text what you have written, it will come exact in the middle. Width 23%, height 50 pixel, total height in that. Now from top 20 pixel padding, from bottom 20 pixel padding, font size 30 pixel, and text align center. Skip now. See, number is coming the middle. I think padding should be bottom, top, bottom 20 is okay. Bottom, top you can increase to 23 nearly. Padding top 23, bottom is 20. Get it? 20, 20 equal. This is the default. Whenever anyone will open the page in the laptop, by default, this my block will execute. Now, according to a screen size, we have to increase and decrease the number of blocks in one line. According to a screen size, we have to increase and decrease the number of blocks in one line. Twenty-three. 23, how we calculate? 23, on what basis you calculate 23? Margin 1% left, 1% right. After that, anything else you have written? Something wrong in your code. Okay, width 23%, height 50 pixel, margin 1%, load left, and after that, border solid. After that, border wire. When you give border, that is the extra. Border is more than the total width. Now you check it. Border here is there. So border is after 100%. No? Instead of border, apply the box shadow. It will look like border. It will not take the space. Reason to go in the new line. You got idea. What is that? We have already consumed 100%. Now in that we are giving the border. Maybe 0.5 pixel also apply. Left 0.5 pixel left, 0.5 pixel right. Become 1 pixel. That is more than 100%. So definitely last block will not have a space. So that will go to where? New line. Yes. Don't give border. Don't give border. Whoever are getting 3 blocks, share your code in chat. I will guide you. You should not add anything extra. Share your code in chat. Send your code in chat. I will guide you. What is the problem? Which code? The CSS what we have written. Share in the chat. CSS code you have written. Send in chat. I will guide you. What is the problem? Oh, sharing the code in the chat. If you have error, send in the chat. If you have added extra border, it will not work. Border is more than 100%. It will go to the new line. You won't share the code, that meaning is working. Okay, now after that, if it is a large screen, 4 blocks, a small screen also 4 blocks. But in a small screen, there should be changes. What changes? If it is a small screen, like extra small mobile phone, Only one block should come in one line. All should go to the new line. If it is a little bigger size, this one, then two blocks should come in one line. Remaining should go to the new line. If it is this one, green one, three should come in one line. Okay, and by default, how many are coming? Four are coming. Just you have to change the width now according to size, according to window size. So how to change? Let's copy this width. And how much you have consumed already in margin? 2%. 1% left, 1% right. If I go here under the small device, in a small device, very small, mobile phone, how many block? Only one block? Let's go here. Write that class. Look here. Write that. Write that class, but it must be within the. It must be within the. See, here is the code. Okay. Now, what is the width of my block by default? 23%. Correct. We are going to override here. 23% we are going to replace by how much you have already consumed for one division? 2%. Now 100% minus, because we want it should cover full width. The full width is how much? 100%, right? So 100% minus 2% of margin, 98%. But system will understand or not, we don't know. So for that, what we have to do? Exclamation important. This is for the final confirmation. Yes, at any cost, it will take how much? 98% in a small device. Check now. Make very small device and then see the background will convert into orange and then each block will shift in the new line. What we see on internet in the website. Hmm? By default, all will go to the new line now. In which device? Extra small device. Yes, because here you change the width completely to 98%. It is here. When I go to the small device, very small device, complete very small device. See here, what will happen? All will go to the new line. The margin what we have given 2%, we should not spoil that margin. Margin let it be same. Okay. Now in medium device, in the medium device, you need to display total two blocks. Think something and write the width. In medium device, it should display total how many? Two blocks. So how much? 46,000. Don't divide 98 divided by 2. Once it will become a medium device, still width will be how much? 100%. 100% you want to break into it. Then 50. 50 minus 2% of margin. 48. Right, click here, write it. The width should become a 48%. Green is coming in the right side, correct? There is a space. That space should not come. You see, in our case, what we have, if you increase here, okay, I have not written still. Let me go here. 98% you have written here. So in medium device, what should be the width? For two product, if you want to display two block in one line, then how much? 48% and 2% margin. If you want to display the three product in one line, then how much? 31.33%. This will give you exact three photo, two photo, one photo, and by default as a four photos, four blocks in one line. Okay, now let me go here. See what will happen when I increase. This is which size? A small size. 1 to 600. In that, it should cover 100%. Is okay. Now see, so become how much? 48%. But what is the class name? What is the class name? My block. Container is only one. According to device, the area is getting increase and decrease. Okay, not area increasing, decreasing. Area remains same. Okay, the number of block is increasing and decreasing. Right? Number of block only you are changing. No? Yes. Here what happened now? How many is coming? 2 is coming because we are given the 48%. Once it will increase next. See, once it will increase next. 3 is coming now. Now what is the class name? My block only. According to device, the number of blocks will get increase and decrease. Okay. If number of blocks are increasing and decreasing, then question is what is the block name? Block name is my block. We have only one class. Then how we can write multiple class? Only one class we have to change everywhere. Right? Only one class we have. If you open the Flipkart or maybe Amazon, laptop, if I open multiple photo will come in one line. If you open the mobile phone, then one photo will come in one line. If you slide, then next photo will come in the next line. Right? What is that? So in one is in the large screen, it's covering the multiple photos. Photo is same. And in a small device, photo is covering the full width. Photo is still same. That meaning is what? With the help of CSS, for the same photo, you have to change their height and width according to device. And here you have not changed in pixel. Okay, see, my screen is running as of now. Width is 1000 pixel. Okay, yours will be somewhere 1500 plus. Right? Yours will be 1500 plus. Okay. Now, if you have written based on percentage, benefit is what? If I open in 1000 pixel, if I have open in 1000 pixel, when the range is matching, for me also one block, for you also if the range will match, how many block? Same number of block, right? Here also what is? Same number of block, here also what is? Same number of block. Now, if it is a device is small, change the color to red. If the device is small, change the color to red. Yeah. Okay. Check now. Go to the small device. Go to the small device and change the color to red. What is the by default color? By default color is black. There is nothing color at all, right? For this number, what is the color? No color, no? That's what I'm saying. Go and in a small device for my block, change the color to red. For my block, change the color to red, not background. Text color. Text color. Change the text color to red. Change the text color to red. Hope we are written. Change the color to red. Now go in the large device. Go in the large device. Go in the large device. Not large device, medium device. In medium device, change the font style. Font style to italic. Font style italic. In medium device, change the font hyphen style to italic. Font style italic. Now check your screen. According to device, the font color, font style. Here you can change color also. Green color. According to device, the color and font style will get changed. The media query, what is that media query? Media query is not very difficult, plus it is useful. Okay. It is small and very, very useful. Now a person will open in mobile phone. Suppose this page a person will open in mobile phone, then also the content will be well organized. If the person is open in the laptop, then also the content will be well organized. He will not feel like content is getting compressed in mobile phone. Okay. Working? Let me show you again. By default, no color. Some color got applied. Green plus italic happen. Go to the small device, red will happen. Like property is getting changed based on what? Device. This is the main formula of Bootstrap. Bootstrap is made of this formula only. Media query and grid system. Okay, using grid system, you can make multiple blocks in one line, one block, two block, five block, depends. Okay, and again, based on the screen size, the device classes will get changed. If it's the extra small device, Css class will apply. Medium device, MD class will apply. Okay, so same way we try to create. Okay, go for next example then. Next example will be something similar to get some more idea. Shall we move next? Or in this any problem? Let me share the file in the chat. If anyone have error, they can use this file. Next file you create media query 2.html. Media query 2.html. Please write this line. Write this example. The style should be under the head section. Head, then a style, open, close. Come to the body. Write a H1. Welcome to Bangalore. We are ready to help you. Write a paragraph. This is we are going to see in that hide so related example. In different device, how to increase the font size, decrease the font size, as well as if required, you can hide some content. If you required, you can show some content. Okay, ABCD we have written. Okay, ready. Now let's go up. First, write the CSS for body tag, margin 50 px, margin 50 px, and text align center. So what will happen is all the content will be in the center and body will leave from surrounding left, right or bottom 50-50 pixel as a gap. Okay. Next you write the CSS for H1. Next you write the CSS for H1. Okay, for H1, keep the font size, font hyphen size, font size 50 px, 50 px or 40 px. Paragraph, whichever you have, paragraph, write column count 2, column hyphen count 2. So the content of paragraph will break into 2 columns and H1 will be coming by default in the 40 pixel of font size. This is the default CSS for your page for the large screen. Column count 2 means the paragraph content will break into 2 columns. Okay. But if someone will open in the laptop, paragraph content will break into 2 columns is okay, no problem. Font size is 40 pixel is okay because laptop size will be big size. But if the same page someone will open in the mobile phone, if the font size is 50, then it will go out of the window. If the column paragraph will display into 2 columns, one column will be well compressed. It will become very small area. So content will not be much useful. It will not look much useful. Okay. It will be useful only, but while looking into the content, see here, it's coming into how many columns? 2 columns. If it is a mobile phone, the font size should be smaller, and this column should not be 2 columns. Column should be only 1 column. Let us go here. So we'll write one range for 1 pixel to 800 directly. 1 pixel to 800 directly. Let's write here. At the rate media, please check this much is happening or not happening. Yes, no. But this is also not working. Let's go ahead. At the rate media. Screen and minimum hyphen width 1 pixel 1 px and max width up to 700 pixel. Then media screen and media screen and minimum width 1 pixel and max width 700 pixel. Then what should happen is the column count for the paragraph. The column count for paragraph should be only one. Should be only one. So all should display in one paragraph, and the H1 font size you have to reduce. Font hyphen size should be 20 pixel is enough. You can check it. It should work. In the large screen, font size will be different. Medium screen, font size will be different. The small screen. Taking to column. Exclamation important. This happen no? One column. So working. You can see like this. If it's a large screen, more than 700, something like this. Bigger font size, mobile size. So all the level of user will be comfortable. But in mobile size, this margin should not be 50 pixel. Look at there. 50 pixel gap is there. That should not be there. So for body tag, you have to reduce the margin. Margin for body tag, reduce the margin to 10px. Exclamation important. Okay, so for body, reduce the margin to 10px. Exclamation important. Yes. Body tag should have less gap. So gap got decreased. This is the benefit of media query. Okay. We will create some more example tomorrow. Menu, submenu, like in the mobile phone. In the mobile phone, menu will be in one line. Sorry, in the laptop, all menus will come in one line. In mobile phone, menu will become as a new line. Okay, those also possible. Maybe once you move the mouse on main menu, sub menu will get open. How we have made sub menu? Similar way. We need to apply here exclamation important. Column count will work. Column count is working for you. Exclamation. Important you can apply, it will work. If not working, change the browser. Try in Chrome, try in Mozilla. Other browser you can try. Hope for other people there is no problem. If your browser is old browser, change the browser, update it. Because column count is the CSS3 feature. Media query is the CSS3 feature. For that, you need to have a updated browser. Old browser will not support. Okay then. Thank you. See you tomorrow.